Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Ring Protect subscription to your Ring account settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Ring app on your smartphone. Log in to your Ring account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the option labeled Ring Protect. Tap on Ring Protect to access subscription details. You will see the various subscription plans available. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information. Review the payment details for accuracy. Confirm your selection to proceed with the subscription. Wait for a confirmation message that your subscription was successful. Return to the main settings menu of your Ring account. Locate the tab that says Devices. Select the devices you wish to connect to your Ring Protect subscription. Make sure each device is properly enrolled in the subscription. Check for any additional features or settings available for your subscription. Once completed, you will have successfully connected your Ring Protect subscription to your account. Ensure everything is set up by testing your devices. Your Ring Protect subscription is now active and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.